Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy VIX through Charles Schwab. The VIX, known as the Volatility Index, measures market expectations of near-term volatility. Investing in VIX can provide a hedge against market downturns. Let's walk through the steps to make this process easy for you. First, you will need to have a Charles Schwab account. If you do not have one, visit the Schwab website and sign up for an account. Once your account is set up, log into the Schwab platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as you will find all the tools you need for trading here. Next, search for VIX-related products. Keep in mind that you cannot buy VIX directly, but you can invest in products that track its performance, like exchange-traded funds or options. Use the search bar to type in terms like VIX ETF or VIX options to find the investment that fits your strategy. Review the details and performance of any funds or options you are considering. Finally, select the product you want to buy and enter the desired quantity. Review your order carefully before submitting it. Once everything looks good, place your order. Congratulations, you have now purchased a VIX-related investment through Charles Schwab. Keep an eye on your investment and consider market conditions that may affect its performance.